Hi there! In this video, as a follow-up to the previous one, we're going to look at how the Ollama dependency works. Of course, there are a lot of AI dependencies for agents. You can find them in the AI section, then under AI dependencies. We have LLMs, chat memories, output parsers, vector stores, embeddings, and finally, text splitters. In our case, Ollama here is an LLM dependency. Currently, there's another Ollama dependency which is an embedding. We'll see how to use that in another video. So if we go to LLM, we see that we have Ollama and we have WebLLM. There will be a special video dedicated to WebLLM. But what I can already tell you is that it's a node that simply allows you to run models directly in the browser without having to install anything on your operating system or use a terminal. Nothing. So for Ollama, it only requires a single parameter, the model. Here, for example, are the instructions you need to follow to use Ollama properly with the extension. All you have to do is copy this command and run it in a terminal. This will simply allow Ollama, which is installed on your machine, to recognize requests made from the extension. Next, this node will directly detect all the models currently installed via Ollama. If you make changes in Ollama, you can return at any time and click refresh, or close the settings dialog and reopen it. And each time you open it, the list of models will be automatically updated. For this workflow use case, we chose Granite 3 Dance. So every time a request comes into our agent will contact Ollama, and Ollama will automatically use the model we selected. That's all for this video. See you in the next video to see how the output parser works.